today's video, we're going to look at how to use color skills with conditional formatting in Excel to gain quick insights into datasets. So this is Rocket ABC Limited, and these are its employees with their sales figures for the months, their performance ratings, and their attendance scores. So to start, we want to firstly identify who performed well, and I've defined high sales as sales above 5K for the month. So we'll start by highlighting the sales figures, then going on to conditional formatting, and click and highlight the cell rules. And within here, you can clearly see there's multiple options. So in this case, because we want to identify the cells that are above a certain threshold, we're going to click on greater than, like so. And then we have to specify the value that is going to act as our threshold. In this case, it's £5,000. So we click on £5,000, and you can see that it says here, format cells that are greater than £5,000 with a light red fill color. So that's what we've done here. And now all the values that are above £5,000 are highlighted clearly red. So we now want to do the same thing, but we want to highlight the figures that are for low sales. So again, we highlight the sales figures, we go in conditional formatting, we go and highlight cell rules. And now because we're looking for values that are below our sales threshold of £2,000, we click on less than. And then we select less than £2,000. And obviously we need to use a different color. Otherwise, the sales that are above 5,000 and below 2,000 will all be highlighted red, and it won't really be very useful to us anymore. So we want to highlight the values that are less than £2,000 in a different color. So let's highlight that yellow, for example, right? And then we click on OK. And now we can see that all the sales figures that are below £2,000 have been highlighted in yellow, right? And so this makes it much easier to see what sales figures are high because they're red and what sales figures are low because they're yellow. The colors don't really matter. You can use whatever color scheme works for you. You can also go a step further, for example, by identifying the values that are below two values. So for example, if I was to highlight all the sales figures again, go in conditional formatting, I could highlight the values that are between two values as well. So for example, let's say we want to highlight the figures that are between 2,000 being our lower threshold and 5,000 being our upper threshold. And let's say we want to highlight those as, let's say green, for example, and then click OK. And now the figures that are between 2,000 and 5,000 pounds have been highlighted green. So you can basically make your own color scheme where say yellow means so and red means so, and then you can essentially create a very clear color scale in Excel to show who the low, high, and middle performers are in the company. So that is how you can use color skills in Excel for quick insights. Comment below the video with regards to what you'd like to learn in the next videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.